How to add a service in Square. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to add a service in Square. Let's get started. First, go to the Square website. At the top left, go to the Home tab. Search for Items and Orders. Then click on Items. Click Service Library. Now in here, click Create Service. And you'll be taken to a page where you can enter the service details. Type in the service name and description. You can also upload a photo or click Edit to customize the image. Scroll down to set the category, price, and duration of the service. Under that, you can add variations, for example, different durations or pricing options. Once you're done, click Save at the bottom, and that's it. Your service has been added to Square. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.